Hi everyone, welcome to Paper Wishes Thursday vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm excited to bring you a collection of frozen cutting dies from Character World. And they're all by Disney, and we have some really beautiful projects to show you. The first one is one that my friend Debbie did, and it's really beautiful. She used a lot of holographic paper things on this. I'm going to zoom in so you get a better look at it. There we go. There. And there's a little bit of paper piecing involved in this, so I'll show you how this works. So first, Debbie used this particular cutting die. It's called Melded Sisters Forever metal die, and it also includes two small stamps that are for the facial features of the image. And this is what Debbie did. She took some holographic paper right here, and this was called Silver Fireworks Holographic. And wow, it just really looks like, you know, a big explosion of sparkle on here. But when she die cut it down, as you can see, it's just this really beautiful, it just looks like diamonds. It's so gorgeous. So Debbie took this first image and she die cut it first using pastel cardstock. Let me get all the pieces out here so we can do a little bit of layering here. She was so sweet to get this all set for me. Okay, so the first piece here she did out of sort of a beige cardstock, and then she did some of Elsa's hair, and then, or rather Anna's hair, and the little ribbon, and then she did the dress, and she cut that out of die cut this out of blue, and then just cut away the dress part. And then she did the little waist, what is that, a little corset or something there, out of black, and then did the lavender, and that's her little cape. Okay, and then for Elsa, Debbie die cut this part of the image, and she used, here we go. These are pastel glitter sheets, and they're really beautiful. Get those at Paper Wishes. And she die cut that, and then these are self-adhesive, so you could either peel the back off or you could just go ahead and glue this on. Oops, her cape fell off. All right. Now, a really good little tool to use for this are the Crafter's Companions little scissors, and of course our retractable cutting knife. It just gets everything in place in case you kind of have thick fingers like I do. All right, everything gets in place. There we go. And also our favorite Cosmix Shimmer Specialty Acrylic Glue is just wonderful with that small tip. And then when she has that all assembled, then Debbie took the beautiful Silver Fireworks holographic die cut image, and then she went ahead and cut away the other two girls and the dresses and things, and just left this beautiful arc of gorgeous, whoops, whoops, whoops. And then she just glued that in place. Okay, as you can see. And then Olaf, sweet Olaf. This one was also used the large flourish die, and then Olaf, which she also used the glitter sheets as well to do that. And she used that over a white cardstock. So precious. I think that is just really adorable. Used our Happy Birthday Dazzles on that as well. Always put your retracting knife back so you don't hurt yourself. So let me show you our next project. This one is so fun. Debbie did an invitation, and to do this, she used the scene building pad, which has all these great scenes, oops, upside down, all these great scenes and characters. Okay, ready to just cut out, has all the die lines in it, ready to go. Okay, and then what Debbie did with that was she built the scene on the card. She used the melded castle image, but she only used the castle part of it in the swirl, and then she used the cutout from the pad to put the characters on here, which I think was a great idea. And then she cut the castle from the holographic snowflake paper. And then she did the You're Invited just off on a computer font, and then used a piece of white vellum and attached that over the printer paper, just using a little piece of tape on either side, and then running it, hand feeding it through the printer again, and it prints on the vellum. And then she did some tearing, and then she attached the vellum with blue snowflake dazzles, which I thought was a really good solution to that. And then on the inside, she did the invitation, which I thought that was just fun. Once again, attaching it with the snowflakes. So, you know, you can make a lot of invitations completely unique for your Frozen birthday themed party. And a last project, which I love, is a giant shaker card. Look at this. How amazing would that be to get? And the Believe in Magic here is from a unicorn cutting die from Hot Off the Press, actually. And this is the little words that comes with that. So be looking for that coming soon for a Hot Off the Press unicorn cutting die. And let me show you how Debbie made this one. Okay, so this is a dimensional card kit, and this one's vintage label. And they come in a big package. Let me show you how these come. Like this. They're from Hunky Dory. And this is how you build the card. So you've got your vintage label pop-up, and that's going inside here. And then Debbie went ahead and poured some denim blue covered sequins right in there. And then she went ahead and built her scene with her cutouts here. Here we go. All right, she just cut those out and then foam taped them to a piece from the seam builder that was cut down to size. Put that here, and then when she closed it, everything was sealed inside there, which I thought was great. And then she took the swirl cutting die. If I can find that one again. Oh, it's right here. Beautiful swirl cutting die, and put that on the outside, and that's cut from that silver firework holographic paper. Just gorgeous. She also added some silver snowflake dazzles for extra sparkle. Really beautiful. And what I love about these card kits, this is an extra large card, but the kit also comes with extra large envelopes. This wouldn't be great, I think, to mail just in regular mail because there's so much dimension on the card, but certainly the envelope is great for presentation, for a birthday, or you could then package this in a bubble envelope or a package to be mailed. So, but it's always nice to have that envelope for presentation. Beautiful. So the Frozen collection is on a special value today. So definitely check that out. It's rather a money saver. And that is on the right side of your screen. Let me pull back on these a little bit so you can get a better look. So they're on a money saver. You can see that on the right side of your screen. And if you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you visit paperwishes.com and check out our other videos and the special values that we offer. Before I go, I also wanted to show you what else we offer from Character World. Character World is this great company that has all of these amazing sort of pop culture fun images and cutting dies. So look at this. If you're a Harry Potter fan like I am, look how big this is. There's a picture right here. This is Harry Potter metal cutting die. This is the scene building pad. And then this is the embellishments metal die set. And then also there's the stamp set here. Okay, that is fun for any Harry Potter lover. And then we've also got Spider-Man, also another scene builder, a stamp set, and the Go Spidey metal cutting die. I just think that would be great for making invitations. If you love the Avengers, we've got Captain America, the Hulk, and Thor, my personal favorite. And then great news, we have Mickey and Minnie Mouse. So we've got the scene building pad, and then we've got, oh gosh, I grabbed 2 minis. So we also have a Mickey, and it's also the vintage one that you all love. So thanks for joining me today. Make sure you check out our Money Saver, and I'll see you next week.